Hey there! Welcome back to the studio for another episode of our Ironweld Great Cannon painting series. In today's video, we'll be painting the ammunition stack of cannonballs. We'll also take a moment to refine and harmonize some parts of the model we've already painted, so everything ties together beautifully. We hope this series has been inspiring so far, and that you felt motivated to paint along with us. Now let's grab our brushes and bring those gray models to life. Alright, first, we're going to adjust the colors of the ammunition the gunner carries to match the tones we used for the loose ammunition in the last episode. When painting models in separate pieces before assembly, it's not uncommon for some colors to end up slightly mismatched, or as in our case, completely different if we haven't paid close attention to this detail. But no worries, it's really not a big deal. We could also leave it as is. After all, this cannonball might have come from a different batch, or been made from different materials. However, for aesthetic reasons, we'll repaint it to ensure all the colors harmonize once the model is fully assembled. This also gives us the perfect opportunity to add a decal and some Sigmarite maxims to the black powder charge. Similarly, we'll later apply a black glaze to the cannon anchors, since they're shinier than the other metal parts of the model. Now for the ammo stack. We'll be using the same colors we used in the last episode, and we'll show them on screen throughout the painting process. As always, we'll also list them in the video description. Feel free to drop us a line in the comments. Your feedback is appreciated. Applying decals is relatively easy, although it can sometimes be a little tricky to position them correctly. You can always add some water to your brush to help gently move the decal into place. Once it's in the desired position, a good practice is to remove excess water to help the decal adhere flat to the surface. This is a delicate process, as too much pressure can cause the decal to tear. To reduce the shiny appearance of the metallic parts on our cannon anchors, we can apply a black glaze. This will help harmonize the overall look of the model once all the parts are assembled. We need to be careful not to dull the metal too much, but simply reduce its luster. Keep in mind that we may also add mud effect or dust to these parts once the model is attached to its base. We hope you found our approach to toning down the overly shiny areas of our model inspiring. If you enjoyed this painting session, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. We are almost done painting all parts of this model. In the next episode, we'll be painting the breech used to load the cannon. If you would like to see the conclusion of this video series, be sure to subscribe to make sure you get notified. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, keep on painting and take care.